Welcome viewers. In this video I will guide you how to access your WordPress admin panel when you forget the password. For example, here I forgotten the password of this account. Obviously, if you fail to enter the correct password, it will not allow you to access to the dashboard. We have the alternate option. Go to the website cPanel first. You need to go to cPanel of the same website. In cPanel, you have to insert username and correct password. Once you have entered correct name and password, you will access this cPanel. In the cPanel, go to the database section. In database section, here is the option of PHP My Admin. Click on this option. In PHP My Admin, you will find two databases here. Click on the second option. Click on the second option, and after that you will find the table of users. Click on this table. You will find username and password here, but this password is in encrypted form, so we have to edit first the existing record. Click on edit for editing this record. You can edit username as well, but we have to update this option and choose MD5 option to encrypt your password, and click on go button to save this updated record or to update your table. It's updated. Now you can access the WP login form. Enter correct username and new password just we have updated. Then you will access the dashboard and you can update your website here. Dear viewer, if you learned something valuable from this video, then please subscribe to my channel for further updates.